Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. We will be learning how to see aerial view on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to see aerial view on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. Now on this interface guys, on the Google Maps, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a diamond shaped icon available for us with layers at the top right corner, where you can see just below the hotels icon over here. Tap on the diamond shape icon at the top right corner of the screen over here, which will open up this interface. And in order to see the aerial view, tap on the satellite mode over here, and then you will be able to view the location of any place with an aerial view like this. And you can also tap on that again to go through any of these interfaces. You can see either to view the public transit, traffic, the terrains, and you can see. And with that being said guys, just tap on the satellite and the aerial view will be activated on the Google Maps. And with that being said guys, this is how to see aerial view on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.